guys, my name is Yiğit and we are here to learn this song. This is Cranberries zombie song. It's great for beginners and it's so easy. You can do this if you watch this video and you can subscribe and notifications it's on. You can follow us and thank you so much. We start this lesson. We have four chords. It's E minor. This is E minor because of 5th strings and 2nd fret and 4th string and 2nd fret. This is E minor, and after this C major because of 3rd strings, 3rd fret of strings and 2nd fret on 4th strings and 1st fret and 2 strings. This is C major. After that we use G major, 3rd fret on 6th string and 2nd fret on 5th string, and this is important, you can use your 3rd finger on 1st string and 3rd fret. This is G major, and after that we use D major. D major, it's 2nd fret on 3rd strings and 3rd frets on 2 strings and 2nd fret on 1st strings. This is D major, and we use this rhythm. This part, this patterns, it's again down, down, up, up, down, up, down, up. Again down, down, up, up, down, up, down, up. And repeat again it slowly. Down, down, up, up, down, up, down, up. And this is the rhythm for intro. You can use your 4 chords and this rhythm for the song's intro. Let's play. And C major and G major and D major and it's the start the song. Yeah, this is, we changed patterns for the song. It's like this: 1 and 2 and 1 and 2, and all of this is down, 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 down. We're sharing the rhythm low and high. Down, 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 low, low, high, low, and low, low, high, low, and G major, low, low, high, low. It's all of this down, 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 down. Let's sing a song slowly. Follow us. Start like this. Yeah, G major and D major. It's E minor and C major and G major and D major. After that we continue. And the violence cause such silence, we are mistaken. And we use same patterns. It's E minor, G major, C major, and G major and D major. We continue. But you see, it's not me, it's not mine, family. In your head, they are fighting. We use E minor and C major and G major and D major. This is fourth chord, and we continue with their tanks and their bombs and their bombs and their guns. In your head, they are crying. And we continue. It's with E minor and C major and G major and D major. And we continue. In your head, zombie, zombie, zombie. And use with E minor and C major and G major and D major. This is all of the song's chord, and you see on the screen the chord diagram. E minor, C major, G major and D major. We use the 4 chord and we use our finger for the chord diagram. It's not used like this. Maybe it can be difficult to pass the other chord. Use like this. It's important to push this. You use 4th finger, ring finger. It's first string and 3rd fret. This is important thing to play a song. Thank you so much, and hope you see you in another video. Take care. See you. Bye.